Hey makers, welcome back to our 360 Embedded Sphere, your number one space for practical electronics and embedded system projects. In today's tutorial, we'll be building a simple MP3 audio playback system using the DFPlayer Mini, Arduino Uno, and the speaker. This setup allows you to play audio files directly from the SD card with no extra shield or complex wiring. Just plug and play. Let's dive in. The components required: an Arduino Uno, a DFPlayer Mini MP3 Module, micro SD card formatted as FAT32, 8-ohm speaker, resistors, jumper wires, and a mini breadboard. All components are available at hub360.com.ng. First, we'll be connecting the DFPlayer Mini to the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC of the DFPlayer to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno. Next, connect the ground of the DFPlayer to the ground of the Arduino Uno. Next, connect the TX pin of the DFPlayer to pin 10 of the Arduino Uno. Next, connect the RX pin of the DFPlayer through resistors to pin 11 of the Arduino Uno. Next, connect the speaker 1 pin of the DFPlayer to the positive terminal of the speaker. Finally, connect the speaker 2 pin of the DFPlayer to the negative terminal of the speaker. Note: use an 8-ohm 2-watt speaker for clear sound output. The DFPlayer Mini can directly drive it without an amplifier. And also take note, the DFPlayer cannot handle a speaker with a rating of more than 3 watts. For the SD card setup, ensure you format your micro SD card as FAT32. Create a folder named MP3 and place all your audio files inside. Rename your audio files as 001.mp3, 002.mp3, and so on. Insert the SD card into the DFPlayer Mini before powering off. Let's go through the code step by step so you understand how exactly it works. First, we include libraries. These libraries let the Arduino communicate to the DFPlayer through serial communication and control playback features. Here, pin 10 acts as RX and pin 11 as TX. The My DFPlayer will handle commands like play, pause, next, and volume. This initializes the DFPlayer Mini and checks if the communication is successful. If it's not detected, the code stops, preventing undefined behavior. My DFPlayer.volume30 sets the volume to the maximum volume range. Where 30 is the loudest. My DFPlayer.play1, this plays the first on your SD card, that's the 001.mp3. You can change the number to play another file, e.g. play2 for 002.mp3. The main loop. Since this project only plays a single file on startup, there is no continuous loop logic. You can, however, extend this to respond to buttons or sensors later. Upload the code to your Arduino using Arduino IDE. Open the serial monitor at board 9600. You will see initializing DFPlayer Mini ready, number of files 1, playing track 1. The speaker should immediately start playing your audio file. With this, you have successfully built a basic audio playback system using a DFPlayer Mini and Arduino Uno. This project gives you the foundation to build smart talking devices, voice alert systems, sound effects in robotics, and even voice-guided projects. You can extend this by adding Bluetooth module, hair sensors, or voice command triggers for full automation. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Hub 360 Embedded Sphere for more embedded projects. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating. This is Hub 360 Embedded Sphere, helping you bring your ideas to life.